We're at Three Bros Racing in Southern California installing the bulletproof radiator guards on this 2020 Husqvarna FX450. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be doing another how-to Husky install with this 2020 Husqvarna FX450. There's nothing worse than breaking your radiator, having a leak, and having to walk your bike back to the truck. The Bulletproof Design's radiator guards offer the ultimate strength in a lightweight package. Built from an American aerospace grade 6061 aluminum, these radiator guards offer lower bolt protection and bolt right into the factory bolt setting. These guards do not impede with airflow and can be used with aftermarket fan kits. Also available are our rubber strap kits and mud foam. So now that we got the Bulletproof Designs radiator guards installed, this bike is going to be ready for anything we find out on the trails. The Bulletproof radiator guards are the best radiator guard choice on the market and will protect riders in all riding situations, whether you're riding West Coast deserts or the East Coast woods. These guards are not going to affect the cooling of the radiator or the airflow of the radiator, and it also can run with any aftermarket fan kit that you choose to run on your bike. Bulletproof Designs guards are made in the USA and offer a lifetime warranty. Visit our website to find guards like this and other products for your ride. So thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe on all of our social media channels so you're up to date on all the latest products and how to install videos. And until next time, we'll see you guys out on the trail.